Hey you guys, just wanted to come to you. I did a little test this week. I had a full lace unit that I had bought a while back that I never did anything with from a Chinese company. So I wanted to just test it as far as the matting issue. So I colored it. What did I use? I didn't bleach it. I used the Dark and Lovely like a blonde. So I did that. It took almost 2 days to really get to this color. And I was just testing it because we ordered a bunch of full lace units from our Indian vendor. And so I was doing a test with this first so I can compare it when I get theirs. Because like I said, when I sell you all a product, I want to be true to that product. I was so disappointed in this wig, y'all. I think I wore it for 2 days. I had to take this thing off. Look at the matting. I put it in a ponytail because it was just getting on my nerves. It was just sticking on my head looking crazy. So I put it in a ponytail, and this is what it is, y'all. This is what we're not going to provide to you. We're not going to provide to you the woman on the move, the woman on the go who got to keep it moving. You might be standing up doing presentations and stuff. Your head can't just be looking like a wig on your head. It needs to look natural and flowy like the one I'm wearing now. So anyway, our curly units are coming in this week, and I'm going to test them and see how they look. I usually like to, just put on a satin cap. With the curly hair, I will brush it at night to just loosen out to make sure, using a wide toothbrush, and I would use a wide tooth comb. I would add moisturizer, and I'd like maybe do a 2-strand twist or a braid. So in the morning when I release that, it should be nice and soft and ready for me to go. It should not be nothing like this. Y'all, this is just after an hour. After I combed it through, I brushed it with a diamond brush. I added water and moisture. It looked amazing. The curls was popping. Not even 2 hours. An hour later, it was looking like this. If I'm doing a presentation at work and my hair start drying looking crazy, what? Black women, we got to represent. So this is a no. No more Chinese hair. We're not going to do it. Investigate the hair. Make sure the company is not Chinese. Make sure it's black owned, because the black owned companies, most of us are ordering straight from India or Cambodia or Indonesia. So yeah, do the hair test, y'all. This is why these units are just like $117, $125, because they're not gonna last. They look amazing when they wet, but when they dry, you be like, why me? But anyway, my loves, thank you guys for all of your support. Stay tuned. We'll be featuring our new full lace units coming. Hopefully we'll receive it this week. There's been a lot of issues with getting our packages, but fingers crossed, we're going to have it. Love you guys so much. Again, thank you for all of your support, and stay fabulous, you guys. Mwah.